In this video, we are going to understand how to do a data visualization using Matplotlib library. So we are going to plot different plots using Matplotlib library. And first we will start with drawing a simple plot. So I'm going to import the library called Matplotlib, and I'm going to use the Matplotlib PyPlot from Matplotlib. So I'm going to import PyPlot from Matplotlib, and I'm going to name it as PLT. When you name it as PLT, you can use PLT throughout your program. So x equal to, I have taken some data. On x-axis I'm going to take some data, and on the y-axis also I'm going to take some data. So on the x-axis and y-axis I have taken some data. Now I'm going to plot the simple plot using plt.plot x comma y, and to display it, I'm going to use plt.show. Plt means pyplot, and pyplot is from Matplotlib. So when I run this, I'm going to get a plot, and you can see the data like this. On the x-axis, that is 5, we have data 10. On the on the x-axis, we have data equal to 10. You can see over here, this point. Then on a y equal to 2, that means on this side, sorry, x equal to 2, that data is phi equal to y, 5, y equal to 5, and so on. So this point will be joined, and you can get this this kind of a plot. Okay, so next I'm going to plot a next plot, and that's called scatteral plot. So I don't need to do it again. Okay, so x axis I have taken some data, y axis I have taken some data, and I'm going to plot a scatteral plot from this. You can see here. So scatteral plot is a certain kind of a dot. Okay, so dot will be getting in a scatteral plot. Now again I'm going to use plot. I'm going to take NumPy library also, because I'm going to use an array. So I'm going to make a subplot 1 comma 1. So there will be a plot inside plot. I'm creating an array which is a list of data using NumPy. I'm going to make a histo plot for this value. I'm going to give a title as a histogram of the result. I'm going to take a x tick. I'm going to take a y tick, and x label and y label. So x tick will be there, x label will be there, y table will be there, and I'm going to plot it. So when you do that, you'll get a beautiful plot which will be in terms of this. So 0, we have the value, different values are available, and we can plot a histogram from this. Okay, so 0 to 20, we have a different value of 3. From 20 to 40, we have a different value of 4. So this way we can able to plot the histogram from this. Okay. Now suppose you want to make a bar chart, and for bar chart is basically used for a comparison purpose, and we're going to make a bar chart from this, and this bar chart will be comparison of x and y. Okay, so when you plot this, this will be a bar chart x and y. So on a x we have certain plots, on a y we have certain values. Okay. You can give x bar chart as a different name also. Like in this, we have given name and value like this. So we have a plus as a value, and the 98 is a value for that. Okay, now this is also one of the interesting plot you can make, and this pie chart. So we are going to use again NumPy for array purpose. So we are going to have a figure from PLT. Okay. And we have some data available. This will be divided into equal parts. Again, we have a language C and C, C++, Java. We have a student who are going to enroll for that, and we are going to make a pie plot between a student and a label. Okay, so when you draw this, a beautiful pie chart will be appeared. This will be the value 25% for Java. Okay, so different values you can get from the C++. We have a different value. Okay, so we're getting auto aspect of that. You may delete it in terms of this way, but so the percentage and the value will not be appeared in this if you deleted that part, but the pie chart will be appeared.